Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 39 says Queen simply means dash. Means that is what is the meaning of queen? A. Satisfying oneself before others. B. Serving oneself before others. C. Standing behind someone. D. Taking advantage of others. E. Waiting for your turn. And it is, as we all know, when we go for maybe go for a particular play. Okay, let me take this for instruction. Maybe ATM machine. When we go to ATM machine, and we find out that there are people ahead of us, and they line up. That defines queue. Then the next person that will come, we have to join the same line or follow suit. So by this, queue simply means standing behind someone. And take note, it is an orderliness manner. So it is an order. It is very simple, and it shows discipline. Shows discipline in the society. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.